Okay, this screen I create n number of different scene 1, scene 2 is downloaded. Okay, and now what? I need to know like how to enscape working and what is use of enscape. So first, when you right click here and just activate the enscape, this is very important plugin, right? But this enscape need a good graphic card for in your system. If you have a good graphic card, so you can easily work with quality. Okay, now first part, see, there is one toolbar and very easy to understand. So first you have an escape object here, second an escape library, third an escape material library, and fourth an escape material editor. So how it's work? So for example, so before that I explained the basics thing like how an escape working and what is use of that. So definitely we are make a one clip for this one, but before that I open one blank file and I explain some an escape working. So I create simple box and press F for offset and just look like that. Click here and make it one opening for that. And secondly, I create one opening here. Okay. Now what I delete 1, 2, 3, make it group because now I need is faster work. Is it okay now? Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Till here is okay. Press F, move up. Then again 1, 2, 3, make it group. R 1 and 2. Yeah. P, enter. Okay. Now I'm inside. Okay. I'm going to inside. But yeah. First I set my view. But visual screen. Now go to view. Animation add scene. Now what? I select this one. Press B and just apply the wood for tiles here. Okay, and I'm not applying any texture over here. So first thing, what is use of that? So if I need any reflection and also what can I do? And meanwhile, first I click here and this is assist library. Just click assist library and wait for a second. See, this library is downloadable, but I already download this use library and I already shared with you in previous class. So you can easily use to download and create your offline thing. So, but right now I'm using online library. Okay, these all are online library. So meanwhile, first, what can I do? This all thing is here. So first I'm using furniture. Click here, apply here. Okay, right now it's low poly model. And I'm using this one. Here. And is it okay? Now what? Just apply here. This is start and escape. Look, when I open, you will get this one and press E for camera up, press Q for camera down. and right click, and W for forward, right click for rotation. See, I rotate this one, I rotate this one.
सर एनएस्केप यूज करने के लिए एनएस्केप लाइब्रेरी के कंपोनेंट्स ही यूज करने पड़ेंगे या नहीं?
Maximum time, it's better.
ओके.
Right. Now I settle this one. Now what I required the edit library here also. So I just click here, assist library in an escape window and just rotation. So we can easily rotate. See, you can easily rotate this one here. This is new option in latest version, because in lower version you don't have this option. Meanwhile, if I want this one, just put here and no customize. These all are offline assessment which I already downloaded. Use existing, so it's maybe faster. Okay, these all are offline. Select, put here. Here. Curtain. If you required, you can put here. If you're not required, delete. Okay. Okay, I put everything, whatever is useful for me, move, and then apply changes. When I'm using apply changes, see this table and all is placing here. Okay, now first chance, I move, zoom, and just right click for rotation. Now the material is not satisfactory for me. Now look at this character and all, it's proper. So first, shift and drag, sun. Shift and right click and drag. See. The shadow is coming from this way. I need to shadow from this way. So what can I do? I use here. Now look at this. It's easiest part. View, shadow first. Then again, what I required, I click here. This is synchronize. When I click synchronize, see it's automatic synchronize. Whatever I select here, see its rotation here. Scrolling, scroll, scrolling, scrolling. If I click over here, it's the shade is here. Meanwhile, press W, screen, and see. If you want to change the direction, so in that case, just off this synchronize, so you can easily work in this window. Okay. Now what required? I required the reflection on floor, and see there is very blurry. The reason of blurriness, the depth of field is reason of blurriness. So don't be worried about that. Just right click. It's rotation. It's just like a gamer. Okay. Now what? I need to change the material. So first I select material and click Enscape material editor. When you click Enscape material editor, see it will be there. And roughness, if you reduce the roughness, look at the reflection. Got it? If become metallic, it's easy to metallic. If you not required metallic, just off. Okay, the texture is already here. And bump map, use. Let's see, look at that. Have you seen any detailing? Look in floor. Look at the floor. Right now, detailing of floor. And if I close this one, right now, it's plain, right? And if I'm using bump map and use the same map, see, it's taken height. And if you increase hardness, okay? And this is some basics. So you need generic, carpet, then clear coat, foliage, grass, self-illumination and water. So I need a just a generic only. And I explain the second thing, what is use of foliage and what is use of all the things. Now, what I'm doing, click and drag. Now I create one shape here. See, it's how much interactive. I create a shape. हाँ भैया हाँ दादा मैं भी थोड़ी सी कास्टिंग फ्री थे तो मैं तरत कॉल कर लो okay I create this one and see this is here double click make it group till here is okay just zoom in so see there is a problem is depth of field I need to sort out this problem how I need how I can change this so just select this object and before that I come in right hand side click here visual setting and when you are going to visual setting there is depth of field just reduce okay means your character is clearly visible first because first we require the clear vision not the any another thing now this is object and I apply any color whatever color I apply suppose black color or any color this color now I know the color name color A08 click here when I'm going to I'm in color A08 now okay now what setting we required if I'm reduce the roughness you can see here if I'm reduce the roughness it's become a glossy okay you can see look at that it's become glossy but if I'm using as a metallic it's become a metallic and meanwhile I make as a emissive self illumination see it's a self light and illumination value whatever you increase it become a increase self illumination and this self illumination you can use for and color whatever color you required see just click here and you can see shift and drag double click shift and drag
सर फिर ये सीलिंग लाइट्स के लिए हम यूज कर सकते हैं ना
No. Ceiling light we can use, but where is just illumination we require. See, I reduce. Look at that.
सब प्रॉपर लाइट्स के साथ अगर व्यू हमें दिखाना हो तो लाइट्स
We
को
can
कैसे मतलब हाईलाइट कर सकते हैं या पर्टिकुलर फर्नीचर पे हमने लाइट ड्रॉप करनी है वैसे.
wait a minute, man. Don't worry. Right? So this is self illumination, and you can use this self illumination for cove light, especially. If suppose I come to your question, don't worry, ma'am.
ओके सर.
Yeah, wait a minute. I'll come to your question. Right? Just little bit inside. Okay, and just look here. I select and apply any color. Suppose I'm apply this one yellow. When I yellow, click here, make a self illumination, reduce the thing, and just go here and look upper side. And not this much. Don't make this much of illuminate. Just for a reference, look like that. Is it enough? Okay. So this is self illumination. See. Now I shift and drag again upper side. Let's become a 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 3 o'clock, whatever, and move and drag. Okay. Now see, this reflection is not working anymore. Now what I am doing, I close and just scroll. See, if I switch off, it not be working. Just click here and go zoom. Again, make a rectangular. Okay. Select this one B and I apply the grass here. Okay. Now, when I come here, see, look at that. Got it? This is 2D grass. Go to material editor. When you see the grass, the height, okay, you can use this one from here. And secondly, if you require the water, so you can select and use just water. Look, it become a water. It's animated water. So it's better I'm using as a grass of this one. Clear? Now next part. I don't like this one, so I need my own material. Which material we can use as a Lumia in an this enscape. So I'm click enscape material library. When you click material library, you will get this entire library, use library here. Tiles. I click tiles. Select any tiles. See with reflection and all. We have each and every settings. Wallpaper. See this and number of wallpaper. I need this one and look at the process. Just click and click here. Import selection. When you click import selection, wallpaper is coming here. Now what? Just close this one. That must be required and go to here. Select this wall B and apply. Okay, and then again start this one. See how is it? Correct.
Yes, sir.
And we have another material. Click here. Uh, wood. Select import. After import, don't be forget close this one. B apply. When you apply and click here, you will get the proper output here. Look at that. Okay. Now till here is done. So we have these three options and this is an escape object. When I click an escape object, you have a light, linear light, rectangular light, disk light. So I'm using a spotlight and click 1, 2, 3. It's your question and answer is here. What, whatever question you have in your mind, like how we can use the spotlight, spot any furniture. So I put the one light here.
आई थिंक सर नाइट व्यू में दिखेगी.
No, no, definitely night view में तो दिखेगी. Don't worry. Wait a minute. Come here. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now again I need another light. No. Okay.
सर ऑप्शन कौन सा सेलेक्ट किया है इसके लिए?
I'll explain again. See this one. Object. Click here, spotlight. You need to spotlight just here. Just rotate the object. See, you need to control. Without control, you can't do anything. And sometimes it's little bit confusing, but you will get the proper and realistic output. Now what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. See.
Yes, sir.
Now we have one options, and meanwhile I select, and if you need move, easily move on any direction. Press OK. Intensity, it's okay. I delete, and what can I do? I don't like this one. Again I spotlight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is okay. Now move, move light. Okay, this light is straight. Control and copy. Okay. Now I need to load IES light. Click here, and there is IES light. This I'll explain. Have you no any idea about IES light? Anyone? No. So IES light. When you click IES light, see this is IES light. This is all are. Okay. The file name is IES. What is the name of file? IES. If you click here, and if you want to download this IES light, just easy to task. Just click. Maybe click here. Free download. That's done. Close. Close. Come here, and in download, that's where you're going. Download, show, extract all, lemon. Okay. View extra large, and select any light. See, select, and then I'm look at here. Look. Any doubt?
So could you show it again?
Yeah, sure. IS light.
Yes, sir.
So what load the IS, na?
Yes,
See,
sir.
yeah, I delete this one and I can create. See, look at the creating method is most pretty good. Just from corner. 1, 2, 3, red, 1, 2. Straight now. Okay. After that, just use M for moving any direction. Okay. Intensity increase. Need to be copy into 3. Okay. This drop light 3. Now select this one. Load IES. I already download this IES light. This one. See. whatever IES light you can check. Correct? Now very less people know about how to change the color of light. So for change the color, it's very easy and it's very interesting thing. Just go to color, whatever color you require, just select, apply. See, and just click here. Look, look at that. Now if you like to render an image, just image only for a quality render. If you want to show, okay, how is the render quality? So I set the view here. Okay, just double click. Now what can I do? I click here the view management. Okay, I don't want to view, I just create a view. Customize presets, create. Okay, now click here. So I'm going to setting, image, output. Where is my output is going? And click again here. Let's check. Is that downloaded? Yeah, see, look at that. How is it?
It's very nice, sir.
Thank you. Now there is lots of things in fact in our mind. What I need some more things. So what can I do? Suppose there is some already few things. So I click here and open the SketchUp. When I open SketchUp and again object, not synchronize, just click object. Okay, in object we have a disk light. Okay, just click here and the light is here. Illumination, click here. This updated. the live update, whatever I have done here. And meanwhile, I select another light or select spacing bar, select this one. See, if I'm using this, my source light is gone. If I'm switch off, a beam angle is coming. Okay, again, if I load it, okay. Now double click here. Then this is a setting how you can do rendered and how you can define the view. And this I already explained. Assist library.
सर अगर
Yeah.
कोई हम शैंडिलियर या कोई डेकोर लाइट हमें मतलब ल्यूमिन करके दिखानी हो तो
So you can put the this material, na? Or you can use the sphere light. See, this is sphere light. You can put inside of your object.
कंपोनेंट के अंदर ही दिखानी है
Yeah, you can put
एडिट
inside of command.
सर एडिट करके डालना है कंपोनेंट को या
This is light. Huh? Hmm. 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 एक. Hmm. 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 Okay. And now I select and apply any color first. After that, I am going to material editor and make it transparent. Okay. After, okay, you can see here. Got it?
यस सर और सर ये कंपोनेंट तो जैसे हमने यहाँ पे क्रिएट किया अगर कोई रेडीमेड कंपोनेंट है तो उसको एडिट कंपोनेंट करके उसके अंदर प्लेस करना है या वो कंपोनेंट एक्सट्रूड करना है और उस
No, 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 no. Just leave it the component. Just put the light. Okay. Now I'm coming here. Yeah, see that one. Okay. So first I set this one. Click here. First, what I can do, look at that. So this thing, double click, go inside. I select material, okay. Now, metal editor, self illumination. Look at that. Have seen inside something?
Yes, sir. मीन्स कंपोनेंट एडिट करके उसके अंदर करना
See, there is two things. Either what I can do, it is okay, just come exit. See, यहाँ पे कोई भी फिक्स पैटर्न नहीं है. We are not doing like कि हाँ आपको इसी पैटर्न पे काम करना. No, never. And in my whole life, I'm never ever asked to any student just follow this process only. Whatever process you require, because मैं आपको वो सारे प्रोसेस बता रहा हूँ जो एक इंडस्ट्री में यूज में आ रहे हैं. Look at that. Yeah. Then intensity. See. Okay.
यस सर
We can use this one quick and faster. So आपके पास ये सारी चीजें बेसिक हैं. And now the next part. So this is how we can use, and okay. And I don't want this one. Delete. Okay. Now come here. Rotation. Rotation. Okay.
बट सर जैसे आपने ये लाइट कंपोनेंट डाला और जो बल्ब के अंदर पहले जो प्रोसीजर दिखाया कलर फील करके वो ज्यादा नेचुरल लग रहा था
You can use whatever you require. Now, see, I close this one and we learn about how to create a manager. Now, next part, there is visualize setting. And the visualize setting, whatever you have. If suppose first I require the atmosphere, you can change atmosphere, sun brightness, night sky brightness. So night sky brightness means if I change this thing in night, see, sun brightness, okay. The fog intensity, we are not required the fog right now. I'm going to main, and this is model. If you required model is enter white, it's become white for rendered purpose. Polytron, light view. This is lux, where light is overexposed and underexposed. You need to check. If light is overexposed means burning. So how we can define it's burning? See, over here is light is burning, means light is overexposed. Outline. See, outline. Okay, if you require any artistic view, you can select this one. Now the pattern is mean or none. this pattern. No outline required at all. Done. Now image, just use auto contrast, color temperature, till 4 o'clock is okay. Right? The saturation of color and motion blur if you require. I don't require motion blur. Lens flare not required, and this is blooming. Blooming is, see, the from background. Look at that from background. And this is vaginate, means corner roundness. Okay. Now in atmosphere, click here. You need any customized presets? If you require, you can use this one, or any preset you can download. No, I not require any download presets or not. Just click here. Now sky. So we have some few sky, desert, forest, construction site, town, rotation, density of cloud, contrails. The contrails is going to inside, and this is rotation. Okay, if white background, no, I not required white background. And this is output setting, how much you require the setting and all. So this thing we have a very useful and important. Now, so hopefully I understand how to create the interior and how we can use this for interior purpose. Now what I'm doing, I close this one because over here we require the Mukesh. And I open this exterior. ओके जी, थोड़ा सा टाइम दो, क्लास से फ्री होकर आपको कॉल कर रहा हूँ, क्लास से फ्री होकर कॉल कर रहा हूँ, डाल रहा हूँ सर, क्लास से फ्री होकर कॉल कर रहा हूँ पहले. Okay, I close and I open this exterior for you. Now see, first I set the scene, and if I required here for water effect, and also I just set the one view because I like the view. Over here any planar? No, there is no planar at all. What can I do? Just double click, select any object, Control C, Control V, oh there is already planar. Okay. Now press B and I check. Yeah. Edit. Okay, there is already one planar here. Now click on material, make it a water first. Okay, let's just make a water. Set the view, any angle which is required. This angle I need to render. First I set the angle and view, animation, add scene, click play. Look at that. The first scene. Okay. Now again we have this one, visual setting, exposure need to be down. Field of view, is it okay? Depth of field, right? Now the model is okay. Now image and auto contrast, saturation is that, color temperature 6600, no motion blur, and bloom effect, yes, we require bloom. For exterior it must be required from white color. Okay, now till here is okay. Now what? Click. Okay, and just down, select this one, smallest, apply here, 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 and this one here need to be scale, multiple place. If you want to do density on circulation and bucket selection, so I'm using rectangular. If you require, if you're not required, just leave it single, and this done, apply changes. Click here, look at that. Got it? Again, when going here, low exposure, low depth of field, expose a little bit up. Okay, now what I did, I saved this preset. My okay, image, auto contrast on, Done. Now what? See, and shift and drag. Right? After that, again, is it satisfactory? A little bit not satisfactory. I need to change the style over here. Move right, bucket tool, click here, go to material and use texture for detail. Reflection, yes, we require bit of reflection, and again go to enscape. Now you can see this detail. Okay, now what can I do? Screenshot. It's definitely going to desktop, save. Okay, go to desktop just without editing and see this image. See, clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it's look like little bit okay. Now what? Definitely, in our mind, I have lots of questions. Okay, this is only view. Now, what can I do for walkthrough? Because the most of people are using the software is for walkthrough. Okay, not only view only. So move here, and meanwhile, again I need this landscaping. So click here. When I click here, see if I need grass here. So what can I do? Come to the here. Come in model, scroll, and this need to be a convert to grass. B, select material editor, make it as a grass. Is it? Little height, little height. Okay. Look at that, this grass. See, have you seen this grass?
Yes, sir. Look at that. In morning,
See. Now, what I required, I apply the some multiple, and this one, see, confirm, apply, automatically multiple places. Move down, this one, select, regenerate, confirm, apply. See. Now we have a library, some human figure, place here, and meanwhile move up, car is situated here, rotation. You're asking about the normal model, na? This is normal model. This two thing, normal component. Okay, apply. Everything is changes now. Correct. Now I create a one walkthrough. So for walkthrough, what can I do? I come here first, move back, move up, decide one view. This is my view. I need to be rotate. So what can I do? I click close first and video editor. Okay, just click on video editor, add key, okay, now move, add key, little bit here, add key, okay, and move from here, bit of rotation here, okay, that's the 10 second. The total walkthrough is 10 second. From beginning to ending, it's 10 second walkthrough. Okay, 1, 2, 3, third one, this need to be here, and I need to update, just click here, update. Okay, now move forward, sorry, move till here, add, it's 90 second, okay, show guideline, and new video path, no, I don't want, this is a path, okay, and this movement is easy in, ease out. So now what I'm doing, I'm using first camera, time. Okay, this is time is 11 o'clock update. When I'm going here, the times lab is change. Sorry, daytime is change. 12 o'clock update. Now here it's 11 o'clock and here is 12 o'clock. Now when I'm going here, the time is changed. It's 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Update. And when I'm coming here, 4 o'clock. Update. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Meanwhile, I click on property. And reduce exposure. And the sky, see this trails and all. So density, low density, no contrails. And longitude, see change. And at an image and atmosphere, sun brightness, in the skybox you can load your customized sky, mount rails, urban, cubic, clear sky, moon size if you require to increase, density of cloud, okay, and done. Close. Now what? Exit. Now this animation is done from here to here. Look, the sun size, sun is change, right? Stop and again setting, exposure, image, click here, shadow, then need to be create set. Okay, now close, then just click export, size and all, export, asking the path, save. Hello. Yeah, hi ma'am. Niti ma'am, today I'm not feeling well, so today I don't have any class. Yeah, sorry for incompleting. So, thank you so much. Hi, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm not. Hi, ma'am. Today I'm not feeling well. This is Nirmal Soni. So today we don't have a class. Sorry for. Yeah. Kiran sir. Hi. Hi, Kiran sir. Sir, I'm not. No, no, sir. I'm not feeling well today. Sorry for that. Yeah. Should I cancel because it's taking long time?
सर एक बार वो कॉफ लाइट का रिपीट कीजिए ना.
Wait, wait, wait. I'm using this was just a window and frame rate is okay. Export. Save. That may be a little bit faster. But meanwhile, which video is recently creating, you can see the quality of video. Got it? Any doubt?
सर कॉफ लाइट वाला एक बार रिपीट.
Yeah, I'll explain. Don't worry, go flight and all. Now, the next part is 360 view. The class is little bit lengthy today, I think. No problem because okay, I move here and I need to be 360 view. Exit to this camera path, which is we create. Not required camera path. Yes. Now what? I make a 360 view for panoramic 360. Put here. After that, what we required this navigation. If you walk, you are in walk. You can easily walk. If you're in fly view, you can easily in fly view. हाँ क्लास में हूँ अभी भी कंटिन्यू क्लास चल रही है मेरी यार तो इसको खत्म करना है मुझे टॉपिक बीच में छोड़ दूँ तो टॉपिक खत्म होना चाहिए ना यार Hmm. Hmm. क्यों मैं क्लास चल रही है मेरी भाई? Okay, so what I'm doing, we have this walk and all. You can use this one and see. This is perspective and 2 point perspective, and orthograph is not working here. So I'm using perspective right now. After that, we have a 360 options. And when I'm click 360, the mono 360, and click and wait a minute. Huh? Huh? No, sir. Today we don't have an online class. I'm trying to call you. I'm not feeling well. No, no, sir. Actually, I'm trying to on this number 9810214109. Yeah, yeah. So sorry, sir. Monday. No, Friday, na, tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. And yeah, what is your question for Cove Light?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll explain the thing about after this. I'll explain your Cove Light.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So have any doubt, you can ask the question between till I'm waiting up to finish this one.
Sir, when will you share the videos of the lecture?
This is very important question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my team is still working on that. Maybe we will get the proper response today.
Sir, can you share the today's lecture by any another way? Because it is too lengthy, so I'm not able to rush all the things in one lecture.
Yeah, no problem, no problem.
Yes, sir.
सॉरी सर, मैं यहाँ पे बता रही हूँ, बट फोटोशॉप का भी लेक्चर आज मैं मिस कर गई। उसका भी ये भेज दीजिए प्लीज, आज के क्लास का।
Hmm. After that, we need one 5 to 10 minutes also for export first parameter. Because see, this all the things is going to on over there online. After that, web station. Now, now बजे. Hmm.
यस सर।
15 मिनट कम. आ, आ गया 9 बजे नीचे. 9 बजे फिक्स. Hmm. Oh my God. I'm making EXI standalone first. Because this is EXR. Without starting this software, you can play this one. Okay. And what's up? Mhm. Okay, might be little bit issue for output. Produce, okay, normal. Okay, no problem. I minimize, and when I open this one, so without open any software, you can use this particular exe